Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can add courses containing many videos in hosting your website builder. So first up, open your website builder and Hostinger, and then here we can add a section to basically add the courses page or a courses section here. You can create using an AI. You can just add the section description here. Once done, click on create section. Right from here, as you can see, we've just created this section. We can change the title right here. For example, this one here is video courses. And then here we can just delete or remove any other element here. Just click and then click delete on your keyboard. All right, then we can add here, click on the plus icon, add element and drag this video right here. Okay, so as you can see, you can just drag and just put this video as you can see, or you can just resize it according to your preference. So in this case, I'm going to just resize it like this. And then what we can do here, once we click on the video, we have some options here. Right? For example, this one. Right, so we have an options like the duplicate, hide, show, delete, or more options right here. Now we can basically click on edit video, and then we can edit the video link here. So if your courses are on the G Drive, just go right here and right click, and then from here, for example, then click on copy the link and paste it right over your website, right? So right here. Or you can basically upload directly the video and then you can enable disable the autoplay. And that's it. You can now publish your video courses here. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.